Good morning, Black family. Hayes here. Nene had to go and pick up her daughter from work. Got her car, and so we're just waiting for the title to be mailed to the house, and then she can go ahead and get it registered up under her name. But I got this clip here of this guy, this local anchor in town here, and I like when he does these Hall of Fame shaming people that like to scam people. You got this white boy, this landscaper that ripped off quite a few people, including black people. But I don't think they jumped on the case until he started really ripping off white people. But it's about 5 minutes. Check it out.
Rob is here with the latest dirty details. Rob?
Yeah, I hope they need some yard work done at the county jail. Of course, this guy's real specialty was just raking in the cash. Hall of Chamber Joe Bella's got a new picture. Jovial Joe. He been smiling for his mugshot. Late last year, I confronted Joe before he was in court, facing a bunch of felony charges.
I'm waiting to have a voice. I need to have a voice.
Well, you got a voice right now.
I hear you, sir. I just don't know what I can say.
I'm back, but Joe's no longer at the courthouse. Where'd you go, Joe? Joe's here, across the street, at the Livingston County Jail. Before I tell you about the felonies Joe pled guilty to, or the bankruptcy case where there's a pending motion to hold him in contempt for allegedly hiding $1.9 million in assets, let me take you back to how I heard about this happy-go-lucky landscaper in the first place.
Great story. I love telling. I really would, Rob.
Well, let's hear it. Joe Fellow ran a company called EMS, but instead of Joe doing landscaping, Joe was just escaping with his customers' deposits, like Reggie.
When a judge made an amount of $5,168.38. Needless to say, he didn't pay me, or else you wouldn't be here right now.
And Jerry.
He was supposed to tear down the deck and build a patio.
Both these guys won judgments, but Joe hadn't paid them.
I think he's the ultimate con man.
Mike says he paid Joe $67,000 to do a job. He says Joe moved some dirt around for a couple of days, but didn't do any real work.
He basically left and didn't come back.
Which is exactly what a company called Prestige Freight sued Joe for as well. One day in June 2021, defendants appeared at the worksite and moved some dirt and dumped several trucks of gravel on the site. It goes on, after that day in June 2021, no other work or services have been performed by the defendants. Prestige Freight won a judgment for $1,139,000 against Joe and his business partner wife, Catherine. But they didn't pay a dime to the company. Instead, Joe and Catherine Vella sold their house and filed for bankruptcy. But that's not going so well for them. Since my original story last year, Joseph and Catherine Vella have been accused of hiding money, lots of money. According to the bankruptcy case, the defendants have failed to explain satisfactorily the loss of deficiency of assets to meet their liabilities, including, but not limited to, roughly $1.9 million. $1.9 million bucks! The trustee for the bankruptcy case filed a motion to hold the Vellas in civil contempt. Here are a few highlights from the case. They claim they paid large debts, one by a cashier's check for $38,008, another for $25,008. But incredibly, they cannot recall who they paid. Also, the bankruptcy trustee claims over $1.3 million in missing gambling winnings. Yeah, poor bankrupt Joe forgot to mention in his bankruptcy that as of year-end 2021, Mr. Vella's FanDuel account on the online casino site had $1,359,541.20 in it. I contacted Catherine Vella for a statement and she said, I had zero to do with what's going on or happened. But she's listed on the bankruptcy as well as the judgments. Joe I can't contact because he's locked up. But here's Joe's criminal lawyer, William Amadeo. You might remember Mr. Amadeo from my earlier story. He did a good job keeping Joe's yapper shut once he showed up.
He's not going to talk today. Come on, let's do the work.
All right.
Okay. All right, Joe. Okay. Well, all right.
Nice to meet you, Rob.
Nice meeting you too. I hope you talk to me. Here's what he says now about Joe's criminal case.
Simple way to put it, it was a charge of embezzlement of about $200,000.
And you managed to get a plea deal for Joe.
I did.
And tell me about that.
So he's going to do 6 months in jail and 2 years of probation.
And he pled guilty to 2 felonies.
He did plead guilty to 2 felonies, that's correct.
Yep, one count of checks without sufficient funds over $500, and one count of false pretenses more than $1,000. Amadeo says Joe will have to pay about $75,000 in restitution, but has already paid some of his victims back. Ozzy Mike says Joe paid him some, but still owes him $27,000. Did Joe learn his lesson?
I think so. I don't think you'll be seeing Joe Bell in court documents in the future. He is a good man. He's a good family person. Obviously, mistakes were made, but he's trying to rectify those mistakes.
When we go through this thing, I'm literally going to blow your mind.
Okay. All right, I'm ready to have my mind blown.
Brother, I'm ready to. I am too.
All right. Joe Bell, blowing minds right now in the county jail.
Or blowing some dick.
Hey, Joe, what do you know? You're still in the Hall of Shame. Now, Joe sent us a rambling statement blaming all his troubles on another businessman and a couple of his former employees. Joe claims those guys told his customers he was broke and wouldn't be coming back to finish his jobs and took over the jobs. Joe claims he's paid $400,000 in restitution. Joe also says he never tried to hide money from the court, but didn't say why he failed to mention the $1 million in his FanDuel account.
What a clown.